Here we have a 2017 Harley Davidson Road King. For a $35,000 motorcycle, why would you have the instrument panel prone to water damage? Here we remove the electronic panel. Water damage is visible. The left side LED is not working. We use a power probe to trace the circuit. We need fine-tipped probes like those made by Dent Invent. This resistor is marked 182 but reads 15K. We look for micro resistors on a salvaged board. I find two 102 resistors. We join them together to make 2K. We add wires so the new resistor will fit the spot.
How good's that?
The new resistor allows the left indicator to work again. Now to fix the plastic shroud. The clips are the only thing holding this in place. The tabs are welded with stainless mesh. The stainless mesh prevents it breaking.
A tiny little bit thicker. I'll slip that in first.
Yeah, that's right. We've got to slip that in and then we do it upside down. That's it.
So that'll stay in better now.
Well, it's going to. I don't have to put that tape back on it.
Beautiful. Alright.
That's good.
Now I'm going to get something to seal that.
Yeah. Yep, look at that. And then that.
Yes.
How good's that?
This is the mod that Harley should have done. Clear shield, UV resistant and waterproof.
Yeah.
Prevents water ingress and corrosion.
Pretty clear.
Stops dust and debris ingress.
Yep.
It's tough and clear as well.
And fixed.
And fixed.
Thanks for watching.